For me, I really think that mental health is important because it literally controls every aspect of our lives. It controls how we respond to things, it controls how we receive information, and it literally just controls our entire well-being. I don't know if we're on day 100 or what, but anyways, this past couple of months have been really hectic for me because personally I'm not a type of person who likes staying in one place. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am Carrie Cortez, and if this is your 10th time coming back, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for the constant support. So do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are the first to get my video. So in today's episode, we'll be talking a bit about mental health. I think it is very important to keep a positive mindset right now with everything that's happening around us, such as racial inequality, gender-based violence, and this whole entire pandemic that has put the world on pause. Let's start off with, why is mental health important? For me, I really think that mental health is important because it literally controls every aspect of our lives. It controls how we respond to things, it controls how we receive information, and it literally just controls our entire well-being. So it is very important to have a positive mental health, especially during this whole entire crisis right now, so that you can experience a good, healthy lifestyle, you can have a good, healthy mentality, and just every aspect of your life will balance out. I know that it is very difficult to be positive right now because, you know, we're having so many triggering moments with everything that's happening. People's anxieties are like on 100 right now, depression is on 100, you know, just so many things around us is causing us to have negative mental health responses to everything that's happening around us. But I think that if we really try hard, we can actually all survive everything that's happening around us. I don't only mean physically, but I also mean mentally. So this past couple of weeks, I've even lost count, like, I don't know if we're on day 100 or what, but anyways, this past couple of months have been really hectic for me because personally I'm not a type of person who likes staying in one place. Like, I get so much anxiety when I'm in one place for so long. Like, I like being able to move around, whether it's just going out for the day or for a couple of hours and all of that. That's like my go-to escape when I feel trapped. So having to constantly stay indoors, you know, be in my room or just like be around these four walls for so long has been very hard for my mental health. And I've been trying to put in small things that can like make me feel better, or just for me to kind of not stay within these four walls. So these are the things that I've been doing the past couple of months. It's just like 5 small tips, so you can try it, it might help you. But if you guys also have other suggestions, please put it in the comment section and I'll really appreciate it. It might not only help me, but it might also help other people that are dealing with their mental health stage right now. So the first thing that I've been doing of late is reading. I'm not really a person who reads a lot, but I enjoy reading. Normally I read like 3 books in a year, but recently I've been reading so much. And I'm not talking about like reading what's going on in the world and stuff. No, I'm talking about reading books. I would read romantic books, fictional books, comics, you know, just anything that will take my mind off what is happening out there. So that is the first thing that I've been doing. The second thing that I've been doing is going out for drives. Oh my god, guys, honestly, if I did not have the ability to go out for drives, I'd literally be going crazy by now, because I do not like staying in one enclosed space. Like, that is just not me. So I'll normally go for like afternoon drives, or if not, I'll go for morning drives. Just anything that will take me out of the house. And sometimes if my family needs like groceries and stuff, I'll volunteer to go, just as long as I can leave the house and go and see another type of scenery, another type of environment. You know, that has really helped me cope with everything that's happening out here. So the third thing that I've been doing of late is talking to my mom. Oh my god, guys, ever since I came back home, she has literally been my #1 support. It's like just something changed, you know, like our communication level is so amazing right now. I literally talk to her about everything and anything, and I think it's really important for us to have someone to talk to during those very trying times, because when you just get something off of your chest, it literally helps you become slightly better than you were when you were keeping all of that inside. And I don't like talk to her just only about difficult things, but also small things like, oh my god, mom, my hair is not doing what it's supposed to do today, my nail chipped, you know, just like these small things. And it really helps me. So I think it's very important that we all find someone to talk to, whether it is your friend, whether it's your parents, whether it's your sibling, just anyone. Just talk to someone. And if you cannot talk to someone, then just have a journal and write down your thoughts. Whenever you take out whatever is frustrating you in the inside, I've seen that it helps you become a bit better. If you've watched my relationship tag video, you'll know that I said that I have a problem with talking to people because I feel as if I'm burdening them. But bit by bit, I'm learning how to let go of that. It's still a learning process. I'm still going through it, but I'm so grateful that I am actually opening up about most things right now, and that I have my mom in my corner. And sometimes when I cannot speak to her about certain things, or I just feel like I don't have the strength to do it, I just take my journal and I write down my thoughts. It has really helped me. The fourth thing that I have been doing is exercising. I know everyone has this idea that exercising only benefits your body, but that is totally wrong. Exercising also benefits your mind. It is so important to exercise like at least 3 times per week, you know, to release the tension in your mind, to release all the negative thoughts that you have going on in your head, to, you know, just relax your body and your mind. So it has been very important for me to exercise during this time, because it has helped my mental health state so much. I get to focus on something else other than all the problems that's going on out there and all the problems that is going on in my life right now. I have some videos of some exercises that I've been doing of late, so just hit the link in the suggestion above and you can join me on this wonderful exercising journey. And I'm not saying like you have to go hard, like, oh no, let me exercise like 5 times per week and whatnot. Nah, like it's not really that necessary. At least exercise 3 times per week, even if it's just a 30 minutes workout before you start your day. That is all you need. Some form of exercise, whether you're gonna jog, whether you're gonna run, whether you're just gonna walk around, like do something other than just sitting down the whole day. Guys, sometimes just sitting and doing nothing is so depressing, hey? Like, that's so depressing. Like, don't even do that to yourself. Anyways, the 5th thing that I have been doing is getting enough sleep. I've noticed that not only does my tiredness come from lack of sleep, but my many mood swings also come from that, because recently I get irritated so easily and I get triggered by so many things, and I've done a couple of research on it. I've asked a couple of people questions, and lack of sleep is very important, because if your brain does not rest enough, it can really affect you. So I get enough sleep. Even if I'm sleeping at 1 a.m, I make sure that I get at least 8 hours of sleep, or whatever is beneficial for my body. And guys, take naps during the day, hey? Like, we're literally doing nothing. I'm not saying sleep too much, because that is also a bit bad for you, but sleep enough. Allow your body to rest enough. because we are not only fighting battles out there, but we're also fighting inner battles, and we need strength. So you need to rest enough. It is so important to rest enough. Minimum 8 hours of sleep, and I promise you, you will feel so much better. Because I know right now we have Netflix, we can binge watch the whole day, you have TV there, you got the internet, like, you know, we're all over the place, but prioritize your sleep. It's very, very important to prioritize your sleep. And just a bonus point for a good mental health is eating healthy. I'm not talking about eating just greens and stuff. No, like, balance out your meals throughout the day. Be able to eat healthy, because not only does it help your body overall, but it also helps your mental state. So those are just some things that I've been doing of late that has been keeping me sane, and I hope some of my tips will also help you. I know right now we're going through so much, and it's so hard to find even one positive thing in everything that's going on right now. But just, guys, let us just try. Let's just try to be positive. Let us just try, you know, to see the world in a different light than the light that we've been seeing of late, you know. I know that we are all experiencing very low times in our lives right now, but I can assure you that we will all be okay at the end of the day. And before I go, there is one very important thing that I feel like we should all keep in our minds, and something that we should all do during this time, and that is praying. Praying helps in every aspect of our lives. It is important to go down on your knees and pray to the Father, because He can help you with so many issues that mere humans cannot help you with. So pray whenever you're depressed. Pray whenever you feel anxious. Pray when you're happy. Pray when you're sad. Pray for blessings. Just pray and read the Word of God, and it will give you strength to do whatever it is that you want to do in this life. Prayer is the first key. It's not even number one, but number 0. So guys, that's basically it from me. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Once again, I hope my advice can help somebody out there. If you have more tips and tricks, don't be afraid to put it in the comment section below, because you never know how that might help somebody else. Stay safe, guys, and stay beautiful. Love and light.